how to check your region's bank account balance online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to quickly see your balance, well here is how to check your region's bank account online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in, on the main dashboard, you will see a list of your accounts like checking, savings, loans or credit cards. So simply click on any and your current balances and available balances will be displayed right next to each other account. And there, if you want more details, you can just click on account name to review recent transactions and pending activity. And you can even download statements or set alerts to stay updated on your balance. And that's it. That's how you can check your region's bank account balance online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.